Hi crafty friends, Lace here, Cheeky Bump, back with another haul video. So I just did Dollar Tree, but now I have Target. And you might think that all I do is shop and do haul videos, and that might be. I do like to shop. I don't really, it seems like I shop a lot, but I don't really like, if I'm out, I don't really leave the house much, just due to headaches and stuff like that. So I might get out once or twice a week, and if I'm out, then that's when I'm going to do my shopping. But I had allergy shots and Target is right next to my allergy clinic. So I went and I found just a few clearance Christmas things and then some more new Valentine's things. So I will show you my clearance finds first. I was able to find more of these. They were only, I think they were like, were they 75% off? I think I only paid like $2 for them or less. So I found a couple more of those. I got these because they kind of remind me of like Harry Potter-ish, very old English-ish. I'm not quite sure exactly what I'll do with them, but you know, I'll figure out something because they were very cheap. So that's out of that bag. I have more Christmas tree things. Let's see. I also found a couple of the snowmen. They were very cheap as well. I think they were the same price as the treats. I want to say, I don't have my receipt. I wish I did. But I want to say they were like $2 maybe. I'm not quite sure. But I found a couple of these. I found two. That is it. Oh, and I found two of these. They only had two. I wish I would have been able to find more. These were in the Christmas ornaments, but again, I'll use them for Valentine's Day because they literally say love, so why would I not? And I think these rang up as like a dollar maybe each as well. And I found a couple ribbons. Most of the ribbon wasn't amazing, but this one is like this one's like a pom-pom type of ribbon, but small pom-pom. And then I actually don't know exactly what this looks like, but I assumed it was some kind of pom-pom. I don't know. I just assumed that it would be cool. If it is, I don't know. But when I only paid like $1 or something for it, I was like, oh yeah, it is. Okay, so it is what I thought it was. It's this type of like pom-pom. I have this in silver, so it's kind of nice to have it in another color. Just add nice little. Luckily, I have a rubber bands in here. This is how I do my ribbons. I just take a rubber band and put it around my spool like that, and they stay put. So, in case you wanted to know. Alright, so on to a couple new Valentine's Day things. I picked up these hearts. I only picked up two. They have pink and red. I just picked up two pink ones. I think this would be really cute to put a pair of socks in, a dangle. I don't know. Quite a few just different things you could put in here. You could put, I'm not quite sure, but it's got some good dimension to it. So that's why I said like a pair of socks would be really cute in there. So I picked up a couple of those. I picked up some of these pink containers. I really like these containers in $4. Oh, these are only $1 as well. They had clear again, which I think I already have clear in my stash, and I have like a mint color in my stash, like a turquoisey. And then they had like a dark green, and I just picked up the pink. So now I have like 3 different colors in my stash. These are great to like, Tina has definitely utilized these. I've gotten some happy mail from her where she's put some like embellishments and stuff in there, and it's just a cute way to send something, like a little happy mail where you could put this, you could put some stuff in here, like some little embellishments you make, a card, and you could put this in like a padded envelope and mail it without it like being, you know, bent up, damaged, and stuff like that. So anyway, I like having those in my stash. I picked up a pair of these, yes, and more playing cards because I need them, right? But these are Valentine's ones, and I want to be able to do some Valentine's crafting with them because they're not like, I mean, they're $3, so it's not like they're super cheap. I do have some cowgirl ones that I probably could use for Valentine's Day. They had pink, white, and red, and I assumed that they're going to look like this. I don't know. I think the red ones were the same, just red. I got pink. But I thought, like, oh, they're not. Oh, these are cute. They're little wine glasses. These are, oh, and cherries. Oh, I'm so excited. These are so you have your Joker has the bow. Those are super cute. The back is just the hearts. You have the wine glasses. You have the cherries. Oh, those are adorable. I will definitely be using these. And then you have these little love cakes. There one more and more bows. These are adorable. I wonder if the red ones are the same. I don't know. I might have to go back and get the red ones now. But this is what the back looks like. These are so stinking cute. These are really cute. And there's another Joker. And the Joker is red with pink. These are adorable. I'm glad that I paid the $3 for these because these are really, really cute. Especially if you are a junk journal. I don't think I don't want to say that I'm planning on because, you know, what if it doesn't happen? But I do want to make a couple like Valentines, like traveler's notebooks / junk journal for some Galentine mail. So hopefully I can get to that. But even just to utilize them in embellishments, you know, to put them on something and add embellishments to the front or something is really cute. You can even use these in pocket letters and stuff like that. So super cute. More pink containers in that one. I did find a couple mugs. Surprise, surprise. I found the cherry mug. I do like these. These are $3, but this is a good size. And, you know, I had to get the cherries. So stinking cute. I have one more bag from Target. Yes, one more bag. Oh, I have another mug that I found, but I was able to find it. It was like within the Christmas stuff. Or maybe it wasn't, but I think it only rang up as $3 as well. And it says, my morning is booked. Has all these books on it. Has a gold handle. This is really cute. I really like this, but I have other fellow like readers and stuff like that too. So I don't know. I might put this in my stash for another swap that's book related. I love books and I have a lot of friends that love books as well. So I haven't debated if I want to keep it for myself or put it in my stash as a gift for, you know, another time. So I don't know. We'll hold on to that because I still have not found any of the book stuff at Marshall's, Home Goods, wherever they are. I have not found any yet. So have I really looked hard? No. So they're probably out there. I was just there not that long ago, and I was on a specific mission to look for certain things, and I did not even look at mugs. Probably because I told myself I didn't need any. I don't know, but I was on a specific mission, found what I wanted, and I got out of there, and that was it. I did find another tier tray, so I will probably do like gift one as Galentine mail to somebody. I found these cleaning cloths because they're new, and I picked some up. These were, I don't know if these were 50% off or more. So these are originally $5. I would not pay $5 for them, but I did like them because I thought they looked a lot like hard candy Christmas colors. So that's why I got them. So you got these ones, these puffy stickers. You get these ones on the back, which are like a fabric type of sticker. You have these ones with the googly eyes. These are not my favorite. You have gingerbread ones on the back. More of the puff style stickers with animals. This is like a gingerbread house, which is not my favorite. Yeah, snowflakes. Have these puff stickers, a Christmas tree to decorate, and then these ones. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I picked up a couple of golden books because these were part of their Christmas too. I think the books, I think I paid $2.50 for these. But I have a couple friends out there that have made like junk journals out of, or just albums out of these golden books, and I thought I need to try my hand on some. So I got a couple of the Christmas, the Nightmare Before Christmas, because I do have a couple of spooky friends that are spooky all year round. So I'm hoping that I can make a couple throughout the year so that I'll have them ready for Christmas next year. I don't know, but that is my goal. I always have goals. I don't always make all my goals, but you know, they are what they are. But that is my haul. I found some cute stuff. That I know that there's still more Valentine stuff out there that I have not found, but I'll find eventually, hopefully. So yeah, good luck hunting out there. And if there's anything out there that you think I need, let me know so I can go hunt for them because I love a good hunt. So happy New Year's, guys.